Wondering how DemandsAI stacks up to our competitor's demand writing service? Let's take a look. Filevine seamlessly and securely pulls your existing case information directly into your demand template. Rest assured that the data being uploaded is accurate and free of human error. Simply confirm, submit, your demand is now being created without ever leaving the security of Filevine. With our competitor, since you don't conduct any other work in this tool, you'll need to manually enter in all your client and case information. Hope there are no mistakes, because you won't be able to edit after this has been submitted. This could take a while. We'll skip ahead. You'll then need to upload your sensitive documents to our competitor's platform. Is this secure? Not everyone prioritizes security compliance like Filevine. What's this? More data entry? Isn't this supposed to save time? Eventually, you can submit. While our competitor makes you wait 7 days, your Filevine demand is ready to review. Need some edits? No problem. You can communicate seamlessly through your Filevine platform. Even as you upload new case details or changes, Filevine will automatically update your demand request with the latest information, ensuring accuracy across the board. Once everything is finalized, simply click to approve. You've just generated a top-notch demand in record time. Checking back in with our competitor, it looks like they've finally submitted your demand for review. Hopefully you won't have any edits, or you'll have to start the whole process over, maybe pay again, and wait 7 more days for another review. With Filevine DemandsAI, you'll have a top-notch demand within 48 hours. We'd hate to keep you waiting.